Hey, John Ferguson, Smart here. What's the best language for test automation? What language should you choose when you're building your test automation framework? It's kind of a trick question though, isn't it? The best language is actually the language you are most fluent and comfortable with, because being fluent in a language, being comfortable with the coding side of things, is essential to automation. Automation is development. Can't say that enough. Automation is not test scripting. It's not a subcategory of software development. Automation is fully fledged software development. It's just not as broad as you might do if you're developing a React or an Angular application, for example. But it does involve all the skills you need for with a normal coding activity. And what that means is that you need to be fluent in the language of your choice. You need to understand the structures, the idioms, the design patterns, the processes, the general way you write code in that language. Really, really important. And that means that it's more important to be fluent and comfortable in that language than it is for a language to have a particular set of features to support automation. Most languages will do the trick. If you're interacting with APIs or UIs or web applications, whether it's Java or JavaScript or Python, doesn't matter so much. What can make a difference is if you are deeply embedded within a team, it can make sense to work with the language of the team. For instance, if you're in a team that's doing .NET and an Angular front end, maybe TypeScript is a good choice for your development, because that would span both of the stacks. If you're working in big data context where there is a lot of Python going on, then maybe Python makes sense. Java is really general purpose. Java will work pretty much for anything. And if you have a Java stack or a Java plus JavaScript stack, then you've really got your choice. So it does come down. There are lots of options open for you. So you really need to know what language, what tools can you get up and running quickly and be fluent in and comfortable in, rather than what are the tools, what is the language that is the latest and greatest trendy language. So that's my take on what language should you use for automation. I'll do another video on what tool set you should use as well. But that's what I wanted to talk about for today. So yeah, thanks for listening, guys.